Eyo molweni.
Okay, mkhali ngomenza ufaka ngayikhabula.
Obabili. Sisha. Ngelenjeka bathi noli. Mina la sizabashe. Angitshela ukuthi standele. What up, Chad? Long time no see, Chad. Cookie to the way. And I feel like love, it's not amazing. Why? To begin with. Just to be honest.
Why?
We are boss. Okay.
We are boss.
Okay, as a man, and go in love. In love.
Yeah.
Give me 3 reasons and on lobanga. I bought things insurance, a mall. We are going to things insurance, borrow thing insurance. So if I were to say me and we love, can you convince them about to be in love?
Convince was it?
No, Jay. Tifuna ukubona zindoni ezicaba ziyabiza kwela.
Characteristics ozmiseshayo wena. Okanye mhlawumbe oziphosayo ongazibonisi kubonisa zona.
Yes, I'm saying umuntu ongazama abe in love, ngomconvince kanjani ba abe in love.
And yes.
Azoconvince ne. Baxoxela ezami mna.
Why you are missing out kodwa
you get a cooked meal every day. Ekuseni, emini, ebusuku.
Izandla nazi ngaziphekela. So I think love Lord.
Uyapheka wena.
Okay, it's not about that.
Okwesibini. Uyazi ke. Why?
Not why.
Every day.
Aye.
Every day.
Ebusuku.
Usisiduri yona ngo. I don't think. I'll just say.
What are you saying?
I'm just saying.
What are you saying?
I don't think.
Then also, thirdly, you always have someone to lean on.
Like emotionally or what?
Emotional, because when
in
I lean on you, when you're shot, yes. So that's manela umakonda nawam that I can lean on.
But this is not convincing. That's the problem. Mna gone by saying I convince me being love. But I like love, man.
You like love, but you don't like the concept. You like the concept, but you don't like being in love.
No, like nina in love kanje bone fanela nani brown.
Asicelela nanga ngalo ke.
Kasicelela kenyani.
Lo muntu usuke emoli mina ndisokoza mindawo.
Okelani bunixelela nje.
Uba
ubunxiba dena uyona wathatha ubrown.
Yo no Louis.
Also deep no.
Esixabanisa bokuse elikoni yasixabanisa.
Yeah, but ibo yami. Apho sekhona kunesibini uniform yethu ayibo handshake libele mo.
Otherwise asemanje kazi indreki, yeah? Ni practice nini?
Namba bayazi lo because unifundise last week land.
Oh.
Alright,
tool. So wanna go how well do you know her?
Okay.
When I was introduce her as yena, when I was introducing naye. Wa! Matabili.
Okay. Do I sit there?
I'm here. No. Introduce mo ngasemahle waphi kwathini?
Okay, guys, kama langu asemahle Makiu. Ngiceleja. Dina 23 and suka eBhayi. Esesi, isiduko sami. Isiduko sami kubanga nesifana.
Beniqondile.
Ngumamthini.
Nyanzi
Uthanda ingoma ezimnandi.
What's your favorite color?
Her favorite color is grey, brown and pink.
Sana bona pink.
Uba.
For pink.
Pink.
Switch on, but
Okay, what else? Fun fact about you as a man.
Size 4.
Nangibelana.
Kazi disagibelana, unxiba size 4.
I know, now unxiba phakathi
kwezakhe unxiba size 5, wasemahle unxiba size 4. Hey, kwasemahle most lo today.
So, okay, do you guys think xa niphuma kule room nizobe nisajola?
Yeah?
Bona ke. Don't Sosando kahle. Ingekapheli
Sanazo.
No, ndiyabuza like how like confident.
Ngenze njalo mhlobami.
I'm just saying ba xa niphuma apha how confident are you?
Benjela nje kuyi.
Wadi.
Noba sophuma basihlukene. Ngiyenzela yakhe.
Ebethuna.
Ewake mnandi ngincanyezwa eza arrangements. Kaze introduce ezukhaya nje. Unanazani mina man.
Buzi questions aphendula.
Ungukhaya ubani ngwapi isiduko sakho?
Hayi.
Ewe.
Farlo. Dithi Caillou McCaffrey, let's make a no.
Into yakhe lena.
Uthini ndenza loo nto? Hayi.
Awufuna loo nto.
Mina ingqondo.
Disintroduce njalo maxa
Introduce
bantwini.
better.
Ngiyafuna
Ngokwazi
ukwazi
ukwenza
ukuthi ndasmufile.
Ufuna nenza laa nto.
Okay kenza
But I don't think uyayazi also.
yeah kayenza.
Into?
Akayazi.
Yenze laa nto.
Nama ndiyazi kodwa lawo.
Yenze wena.
The Shapuzi Little Boy Caillou Michael Singh, the host that does the most, aka Terione, aka Caillou Michael Singh.
That's Mufasa.
You know what nzima?
Eish. So if you can about your tats, man, yabona yazibona phazi.
Makazi introduces Caillou.
Nachomi sidlulile njalo.
Abudlulile. Kangibona.
Ithathu zami azimishindo ndizenza kuba ndizithanda.
Is too nice kaveze bakama.
Isindo yeso ke.
Hayibo azina meaning.
Ikhona nemining iyazwa ngithathwa nguKhayo asemqolo.
Ibhalele.
Andifuni. Kuba busy ngakandifuni.
So zintswembo kodwa like azina meaning at all.
Qane ngizithanda.
Those
Nayo
are nice.
ndiphele ndimenzisa nayo.
Kaveze zakho zakuminisha lo.
I know no meaning.
Why don't you guys get a matching tat? Aniko show I love you.
Hayi.
Aniko show I love you. Aniko show I love you.
Noba sikho sure but.
Hayibo Jong initials K and A.
Awunyanzeleke ndiphinde ngitshele nomlomo A xolo.
Oh ngomlahla lo.
Kanti ngizomlahla.
Yo.
Qibile ukutsho nami ngimvile.
Kanti ngizomlahla.
So sawune plans.
Yo hamba. Yeah, enhle nje lena bengayithandisisi.
Ibitheni
Andiyazi.
Man, ibingathi inkulu ingathi ihlile ngoku.
Yabidumbile kaloku leyo.
Uyazi lento lamaflower.
Yeah?
Ha?
Kutsho wena manje.
Zonke nguye ethi mandizenze. Xa ikwenza ithathu ufuna ndezithathu.
Khale ngixele.
Yabuza.
White tattoos.
Yes,
Why not? It's a dope aesthetic dog. Bole ngalo njani? Asicompetition ngalo zethu.
Uyona uzocontinue more or uzodinwe?
Zenze egqibela the last one.
P last two.
Apha. Then
P ita yonke. So can you give us a brief summary banathi bananjani thini weyeni?
Sadibana njani phi? So ekuse saqala ngiphi through social media ne?
What a couple.
Social media umi sister nanimoyike.
Social what?
Media.
Hey, stop the care bro.
Serious.
Nyanza telephone ngiqala.
Then
Usese-
And then ndayakuye.
Usese PE.
Ngongipha yena nsiketa nona.
Why kuye phi? Ekulu.
Populous kalo.
Oh.
Ngene populous.
Okay.
Balisa kana balisa.
Oh,
Balisa
sorry.
nje.
My bad bro. My bad.
So saya epopulous on that day and it was a rainy day yakhumbula. Wazixelela bhange ufuna uya pha yabo. Saya safika. Yakhumbula sasihleli phi ngapha, ehleli ngapha. Ngoba ndinexhala
Mina
nomntana.
idress ebomvu.
Hayi, ngibe yilanduka ibody suit emnyama. Ngana nexhala nomntana huphi lena ndibona pha efonini. Ngana nexhala huphi lena ndibona pha efonini nyenyana. Uthi chill. Bulisa nje, ngihlele gram, ndazenza big mos. La rider into ndizikadithengile. Hayi kuseba ndifuna shots. Sizithengile nazo sipha. Excel, uyafika happy hour ndathi uyaphi after up. Wathi le icingayo yiyo masambe savaya then the rest is history.
So mina ifika njani le bike sika ndincane le love na?
Wena ke ngoku wathi qala bukayiqala relationship wathi awuyithanda ngincanyisisa sisanga.
Yazi why?
Why?
Uyayazi umsaphi. I didn't like no way.
Bandixelela loo nto.
Dangathi wrong but
Bathi kaloku ngoke wayisiya evekini masixa ephuma emsebenzini.
wayisene weekend abone phana Dexter mba
It was one weekend. Wahlala weekend,
Ukwazi
wahlala Monday, Friday, wama Monday.
yabo okule Dexter bas isindaweni ethile yona simbonile upho
Yabo.
they send the video epharazela ba
Bani mna?
Mama sasiyothenga inyama notshwala.
Vonini wapharazela yona send
Ngapharazeli lapha.
Supposes.
Abo.
yaselelwe yona
Indawo nayo leya.
Baby indawo nayo leya.
Okay but I understand the consent yami. Shout out to
Solunity has gifted one sub to viewers.
into engayincanywayo nisanodibana and ebone
Bone ntoni?
Yenzeka fast.
No, ngaphandle kwenzeka fast. Asiyazi setup yakho bayithini pha.
Oh,
So i-risk ininzi yandiva.
Funny enough, itsotso ejula naye ise next door kuwe.
Yo.
So that's why the skeptical. That's what if you're violent ozothini.
Hayi weak latsotso. Andazi ngilapha ngothetha.
Okay, so ngojola noyona uyona wojola wena wayijola ithini wena nathi single or what?
Wayijola.
Wena?
Mina ngisanda ukuhlukana.
How long?
2 weeks.
Siyavela izinto.
Ngiyadlala, kanti senganyana.
Dibame zoqala, sayithetha endlela.
2 weeks.
Sayithetha endlela. 2 weeks.
Ayisakhathalanga.
2 weeks.
Doesn't matter ngoku.
Dlala.
But ujola wena.
Ya nanjola.
So what happened?
Emjolweni wami.
Yeah.
Wazanona emjolweni wami.
Asizothola imijola kakhayo ngoku.
I'm just asking.
Sayithimlile mani phezulu.
Iwe yami iza lewe yoba uyone if ukwazi ujola nawe jola. Angakwazi ujola.
Into lezongiqawula nami ke ngoku ndiyenze kuqala before yenze.
Oh. Hey, thanda ezweke mna. Oh, which means angayenza.
Okanye seyenzile.
Yo, uyenzile.
Unatsho ngayenza la?
Sayithetha endlela.
Uyenzile. Oh, uyenzile. Okay. Cela nibe honest ne. Nakana chidela.
Ibithuni. Bohle. Ibithuni. Wabo like good no immediate no zaza chitela. Kwabuyahleka.
Ngokwandlekile qawundi ngithusele lo muntu.
Bona.
Cela manje.
Sayifrustration.
Cela manje.
Disayifrustration. Zayike. Chami phela usekwani ngade ibaleka la sekwanichita.
Lana chitela yabo.
Kalo mna ndingu-Dr. Ndebs mna. Also ndibilo ngicela uba ndingu-Dr. Ndebs yabo. Yonke imibuzo yenu ndibhale
Yo.
Yabo. Ningakhathazeki, just imibuzo nje epholileyo sancokola kwangoku. So how long have you guys been dating?
1 year and 8 months.
Yo, that's superb, man. That's superb. How many?
1 year 8 months.
Yabo. Couple therapy.
Okay.
And say need
Niyayidinga nina, yabo.
Okay.
How many done?
1 year 8 months.
1 year 8 months, yabo. Okay, umbuzo wami ne. Yabo ku relationship unyaka. Siba khona temptations. Mhlawumbe ngibone ichere nembuno enkulu ngasemahla. Asemahla bone it was ende.
And is crazy.
Yabo.
Rakuyandiyilwa namhlanje.
Ende.
Okay.
Fit. Yabo.
Shot the man.
No.
Enemot.
No, it's not about this way. Yeah? Yo.
But there was hitting wincing.
See, baby.
Ay, couple. So I'm saying about 1 year and 8 months is a long time about. So what keeps the love going? Kabona ezinye impundo enkulu, amanye amajita afiti. Bon.
Over to you, my dear.
Jomelandi kuwe man. If was xelele. Zikhona kakade temptations chomi zikhona. But they
Zikhona.
zikhona zizohlela zikhona nje.
Uqonda yo nekavini on. Yeah.
But ngizixelele kuba
Atari So
Yeah,
bana
also in
ubole ine ora before.
Tell yobani.
Zizi.
No, what am I doing?
Yeah. Zizi. Siyela nasifuthi umuntu wa.
Tengala manje conversation.
But yeah ngithi like zizohlala zikhona yabo.
Yeah.
But then uzixelele kuba na.
Usixelela kanjani leka kine ora xa isithi hi baby girl. Umjida kekho let's say uphume nami siyo rapper kude yo MC. Udibana eKhaphelo. Idabo. Hi.
Okay.
Dizotype.
So uthi hi back lo mjida. Ba ufuna uthini? That's different because in South Africa amachildren are safe. If asemahla uthi hey bhuti kandiyeke. Asiyazi when she steps out of the club. Like so izofeel ego yayo bruised imenze ntoni. So shout out to that. Yabo. Na xa inikisa number it's not because uyayinqwasa it's because of safety reasons ane.
Like ya trepa la nyanya, en ya trepa ya kada. hayi apha.
Anditraphi.
But unyanisile nje like umfuna inamba uqoma mawumnike but then awuzomoya. Wese ndiyakubonisa nje.
Safety reasons yona.
Angibonisa.
Ndiyakubonisa Khayo.
So nami xa uthatha inamba yemedi ngase GBV.
Kuye ne? Yes.
Why?
So imani yaqhwabana ithini wena?
No, zange sabethana.
But xa ichita obvious way deserve mbamba.
Zona
But wena xa ichita ungambethi. But wena ufuna uqhwathwa nje 1 2.
Ngixolela bana ukuchita.
Tele?
Ngixolela.
Chong. Sorry.
Kaloku mhlawumbe ubuyise then sibe even.
Isikhosi landuki. Yova chungu ngeqola lityikiwe.
Awuzoyazi nxa.
As long amachita awuzonayazi.
Yabona zawe.
Awuzungixelela. Asemadleni uzofanda out.
Uzobona ngani sengicrasha out oko. Nxa unqandi iveki oko ndishayiwe.
Okay, masibele ke temptations. So busabalisa. Letsotsi ithi inamba kuthini?
Ngibuyisa isikho. Ngibuyisa isikho.
Yadlala.
Ngethoni.
Awufuna usibuyisa?
Sima. Siyathi isikhozen.
Ingadi ngathi nguwanele.
Bana
wanele.
Ndiyenze nini mgodukini?
Zizi yamanzi zizi.
But excessive is the love yes.
Indo.
No like okwachite opofia.
Ngitshitelwa Anisamandi. Yakwazi bona ichere yami out. Animandi vethu mna. Yo ndichitelwa oko. Onke coach Rema zanga ndichitelwa.
Konle khole imoto efenze athi Uber.
Yathi Uber. It say Uber. I'm not.
Get yourself asemahla uphume eceleni.
Okay, ndivila semahla wena i-temptations. Yabona ke let's be real. Thina ke industry yethu asemahla boy events. Xa singena kuyascreenywa. Yabo uyona uya MC and ucool, yabo. Bambi mic. Obvious umuntu ujonga kuye yabo. Babakhona lamacheer bakuse. Abo yone nibhuke peace yeza after party bad.
Kaloku yena after party akazohamba. After kwakhe MC sha straight home.
Ngidweni.
Fathu ngaphendula.
No.
Uthi fathu ngaphendula.
Yena after party namantombi akayihambi. If komantombi nami ndiyeza ndinomazana.
Yeah.
Damn. Did semondi ke ngokayibhala.
Yo ndiza flight.
But makaphendule.
Yona ithi ngashingana
Like
how do I deal with the temptation?
Kule industry bona.
Angafikeleli kweBoy Mandi tempted. Zanga.
Cap.
Okanye ungathetha ke ngegigi saya kunta tempted la tempt. Careful.
Sihlale lapha khaya.
Njengoba la
Akho umuntu ongabina i-temptation.
sensitsha don't act on it if ikhona.
Hey yabo. Andiyiva lekho lempendulo man.
Amela ne ingxaki ngomuntu uyayazi lana ba ipipa inazigqibo ne but yami nazi isigqibo.
Yeah, I have to give you that bit. Ngaphandle kodala ke yabo. Ehamba nami young blood mina bone.
Wonke begenini nje nami.
Yakwazi.
Yeah.
Didn't.
Hayi kaloku uqola test.
Umbuzo umile fa
And the street.
Kumbuze
Uyona? Now it's chilled ngoku.
When how do you deal with the temptation?
Ajole mina. Icheri bayandifuna ndifuna back. Yes.
Damn.
Yasemanje ungaphumula relationship. How long would it take ba ubekwe?
Veki cho.
Yabo?
Yes.
Wabi 2 weeks nje nakhumbula. Bake ku.
Ingxaki izonceda ntoni into bendikhala ukhaya ubhizi ngapha bamnandi abafana so namababe.
Awunandi nje nyana abafana nje na. Abafana bamnandi nje na. We are delicious.
I think they done the couple. Wena. Mbuzo wami. Move on how long?
Habo.
Angasisifebe silesizo.
Akazosifebe manu yona.
Benjani ukhaya?
Yeah, hayi. Uyona yabo? Ungafebi. It's always love.
I know where.
Une plug emachira amahle. Yabo uqala kwamdibana naye. Every weekend zana machira. Oniyo hayanga. Sange ndadibana machira. Uyona news level za. So ngo utshela na iqoma neenga cause
Ukuthathele
abantwana.
Oh shame.
Lezelo class lapha kwezinyanga ba yabo ngo discipline ngo. Even xa ngifuna yabo ngo benzo host stream zoqala. Dasho kha singabiza bani akazanga noyi-1
Kamxelele.
then ndatsho yo awuwile ke ngoku
Yabona ndandinasebhayi ne? Ndandisebhayi.
Osebhayi.
Uzoqala? Ewe, ndathunyelwa u-view once, i-setup ngu-5-5. Mbambe efowunini. Basundiqhela.
Ima esasila okanye ngapha.
Ezosilapha.
Esisalapha i-5-5.
Yengeke.
Kuthiwa kumesheri yakhe ngugama wakho. Qumbe.
Barka.
Lo shayiwe.
Oh, ugama wakhe. Uyoni ngathi yoni ka organize ama-cherry 5 cause isithi ncinci akakwazi. Ndanceda ubitches ngoyibakhulu ente.
Shut up, bitches.
Thatha ihlalo sikayona cause uyoni u-in love ngo.
I believe in Babylon.
Le hack ayizolasta long.
Why ufuna still?
Nah, I'm just trying to find ba
Inoba ufuna ndiphinde nilale kule couch now after this.
no I'm trying to find ba kuse iwe yeni healthy kanani na yabona.
Ngiyazibona nje nasaqhuba.
So what would you say all the hate was enough?
Oh. Kuqala endlini. Thuma Dimbi nehlaba.
Oh.
Usibini. Lapha.
Also manje yazi chill vet. Yazi I've never had a conversation now cause ihleke like more than 5 minutes. Uthule mana semanje vele qona ungixakile lapho.
Ngasuhlala nathi endlini ikufakele ikhamera.
Ngeke ngixaka bantu noma ngizothini ngomuntu.
Danjalo nami bo.
But uthule man.
Dithule kangathi ndizipholele.
That thing. There's not a lot of things I hate about it. But I'm not perfect now. But yeah,
Perfect. But it's
So
love
let's go perfect.
Chere kufuneka perfect kuwe. Ithini ngani lewe yini?
izawuqina njani love if you perfect.
Okay, I get you. When I think no longer.
Khayo umuntu odikayo umthetho wakhe.
Hayibo.
Khayo uyathanda uthetha. Yo, nakamamele ingxaki.
Yo, yabo kuleyo.
Akamamele.
Yabona. Yaba ngathi inside no asemanzi but hey.
I think is dreams of shout out naqa.
Uyabona nje.
Like zo shout out. Kuthiwa busy best friend ne girlfriend sithethe nawe.
Yeah.
What else do you hate about me? What do you love about me?
Everything too.
Everything.
Hayibo.
No, everything you know.
Thana lento senza ixesendle.
If you have money so ingaphela relationship.
Hayi ngizohlalela nto.
Ha.
No, ngizohlalela nto.
So sex phambili relationship.
Ewe.
How would you describe lo mjolo na? Dr. Ndebi. Uxakekile lo mjolo.
Yeah. Yabo.
How would you describe lo mjolo? How has it changed your life le 2 years?
Ngabo yabona njenile nje.
Yeah, about that le part yotyeba. Would you guys say like ni humble ka ithini?
Sihambule.
Humble. Calo mphathe fusion vele. Ni humble. Aniskali mizi.
Apha.
Aniskali mizi.
Apha uselfish nje umqala benqakathi.
Aniskali mizi baba thini. Switch off ifone. Asicofa ifone. Okay.
So odd kanjani.
Sanuhara ngicanda. Me hospitality yami is nice. Okay. Couple therapy ngoba.
What?
Hey, but nihlala noyi-2. Your partner forgets to send you a good morning text. Ureacta kanjani? Let's say umthelisanga uhambile kusela umthelisa ku-WhatsApp update ba baby. Then ndaya eCuban. Bona.
Urethana.
Yabo. Yeah.
Ngizawuthula nami.
Khabanike boyithuba
Thula ndiyathula sithula sonke.
Khabanike.
Kayiqala ezisi.
Mina nihambule
Ngoba sisi ogalela iqala kuwe.
Wow, utshela ijoya kanje le fusion.
Enjoy ngani?
Unyanyile. Yes, God.
Yo ndaqhubela
Yes, yes, do you believe in love, Vic? This is love, dog.
True love. That's an example of love.
Kanjalo baby.
Kanjalo mangimisa. Yazi ukuthi njalo fusion yakho.
Pheza cho.
Akho sparkling water
Azogalela
ngathi.
Yona.
Akho sparkling water.
Yes, God.
Ibe ngathi Fanta.
Ngingazingena esparkling.
Khethe efonini.
Hayi bozizincinile. Kale iphela pha ku blue.
Ah!
Ibethuni?
Nginogalela lapha komoya.
Yahuba. No, but they share couple.
Awuphethelang ndezamisi. Phoko zamisa ngomntu. Bawuhambule na.
Hayibo.
Humble.
Bawuhambule.
Sela nje mina mazi.
Baby man.
Nanti ulilite yamanzi abandayo.
Nayo ngam.
Izoba jafu jafu.
Zamisa uzamisa.
Yes.
Xa
Yeah.
iba manisa.
Le couple ndeyincane humble man le. Nebonakala ba ekseni ikhuliswe grand.
Xa iba maniphetha.
Uzolendithatha lena.
Huh?
Uzolendithatha.
Hayibo,
Akonqaka phela.
amancinci
Kaloku
lamanje.
bincinci fusion pha.
Ungafaka.
Hayi.
Why ungayiseli wena?
Angasela fusion.
Thina masisele
Hayi.
Ikonile.
Aba disifuna nokufishi. Disifuna nokufishi wapha sefishi kimi.
Ulotha kwalo.
Apho nina.
Ulotha nje lona.
Angulwatha.
Wako wata shimbo. Meta. Kule khoma yam.
Grand yam.
Shap shap meta,
Wa.
meta.
Hayi namhlanje kodwa
Sizatya
Wa.
kok. Sizakhikiza.
hayi couple. Look at here.
Sedula nini?
Mina couple nenze speech yabo. Speech.
Ah, ungathandaza.
Mamela speech. Indlela endithanda ngayo.
Faka phansi.
I had to make something romantic like amaqunube.
That's a
But
picnic.
le way le ndifuna ihambe nantoni? So buyela questions. Ndifuna ihambe nantoni? Ihambe bamba apha. Ndiphathele negift. Ngohlala ndiyancanya manini. Ndiyabuya ngongoko.
Ngabo yesu.
Andifuni.
Kaka,
No.
Legal, mano. Meta.
Watch.
It's all. Ah, legal. You.
Ngithanda grapes kodwa.
Ngizongoza ezwe sithola ngotini. Basithola ngezwe.
Phakathi.
Anasizoyanga.
Ukudla.
Sifuna ibheka futhi. Ayiwani yani kodwa. Uza order.
Order for
Wache. Ay. Ndolena. Ixesha. Manxesha. Ixesha 25 to 11. Sitya amaqunube nechips. Hayi. I say cute le way kodwa izileni kosaphula.
Yeah, vele bona.
I like I appreciate my dog.
Yeah, man.
Thank you my dog.
Kanityisa namaqunube qala before ndinike le gift.
Pussy.
Sesityisene.
Benzeni. Benzeni. Oh, yona phela.
You know?
Benze ntoni? Oh.
Go for.
Yabo jongani ke. I-question niyacima uba nizidojile i-questions. And also make sure ifoni zenu zoyiphuzi on.
For no.
Nje.
Hayi, la nto exchange ayenzi.
Andizo
Hayi
exchange.
kaloku.
I'm just saying nje.
Nami yaglitcha kungoku.
It's fine. This one is for you, my sister.
Sibazo.
Beka phansi emaqununu balemtyisana mid. This one is for you. Suku defining love no. Beka ba.
Nothing mina God.
Yeah.
Nothing mina.
Azando.
Sibeka njani phansi ukutya?
You andiyazi ke lo bekwaphi le nto. Sibeke na.
Don't speak.
Yeah.
Abaninzi.
Okay, what is happening apha Kabule yabo? Incwadi mina I love love boy romantic. Also funeke I believe kwezothando you must have memories. Like ubani way that you attest to a relationship as you grow yabo. So I feel like these are one of those moments yabo. When they intimate, nijongana emehlweni, talk to each other, bon, a reassurance of affirmation. From the way. And then I want you guys to draw sipeyile man Kabule.
Uzine package amanzi. For
Television.
Lo for mhlawumbe khona inqaki idobu lenisayenza manje sengiyazi.
Yes. So ndifuna noma nizobe symbol of your love. Asosibalisele. Symbol of your love. It could be whatever is defining your love. It could be asemahle ngadraw asemahle. Whatever man. Yo brush zethu. Kuthiwa liteni lambile ndifuna ibheka.
Yabo ke ha. Ana secrets ha.
Okay.
Ato secrets one, ana secrets.
And also say time akele weni acimba nivele niyenze nje.
No. Lento sizoyizo.
Ngiyazoma.
But if nayo into eyisymbol ke ngoku define love yethu. No one yazi awuzange
Nto kodwa
ayidinga.
define
I've
love
never
yethu.
thought about into enjalo.
Noma ngazoba yena ubhala inote ezantsi about ukhayo. Le love le engathi ndinele ithatha
Saze yilapha la nikhide yenze ngoloshi.
Yo, nafuna nikumshile ke ngo.
Hayi.
Andikumshina guys xolweni.
Niyathanda uproject khani iphole.
Ibile kaka.
Yona.
Asela fusion.
Hayi chomi. Iqhelile fusion.
Kubani? Oro.
Sangukhulisa.
Hayi, that's sport project ngayibo.
Kaya ngafuna ke siqarayisi.
Hayi yabo yona. Uqala kwami udibana nomuntu ongayikhwele itaxi engiyona nginga-understand la xesha.
Akafuni.
Ngilika ayisifuni itaxi, convenient itaxi.
Very much convenient.
I understand after a year. I understand ukhayi. Umshini ongakhwela itaxi tundi bangathi. Ngifuni itaxi lo.
Itaxi uzayikhwela. Uzakhisa kude endlini.
Okay ke sir. Ekseni ngicela nifocus eKhabul ne. Istima sami yona yabana ngapi vethu?
Uza no.
Nganyeni. Umhlobo sizomdinga.
Ngoba
Why? Awali kufunza mina inside the car.
Mina ndiyancanywa manini. But cheating ibalekile just to stable the relationship. And also how do you guys feel ngalawe ba? Mhlambe relationship yenu bedroom iyabhora and then you decide to invite a third party.
as long as uba ngumjeti. Besithethe ngayo izolo lento. Kaloku wayena. Wayena ezofuna into eyintombazane nami ke ukundifuna.
Andam uyafuna. I'm just asking.
Kaloku mamela. Icebo umuntu oze ne-idea ba makubekho i-threesome. For instance yena athi ufuna i-threesome ne. Then uzoba kumjeti. If ndimo ifunileyo izoba yenye intombazane.
But would it be something that you want?
If izoyenza ispice up a relationship yethu.
Also relationship in nesting spice. That's what you guys are saying.
No.
Take it spice. Take it spice.
Yena ndisekulana uba kuthiwa bangumjita.
It's not a big deal, man.
Intoni?
It's not.
Intoni?
It's not a big deal, bro. Like for real. Okay, Jongan, give
me improvement.
What about me? Navedu yonke into they accept him. I don't mind it. Like, all life from the day into the serious.
Hello, uzo participate.
As long singing
Undibethe emlonyeni ma.
Okay, ngicela niqale ke ngoba. So set the timer. Asimathi hlala ngapha. Ungayo cha. Hlale ngapha nawe yona. We don't have time. Ngabuqalisa yona.
Hayi ngiyahlaba.
Yo, is ya. Uzimela kanjani?
Uxoxana naye.
Awubhilimi ne. La kuyabaseleka.
Ine or ngxaki la yohamba nomuntu onempuro ezinkulu because itsothi imfunayo ayisoze imfumane.
So kulewe bendibuza i-threesome bendibuze lana if ningashaya like for a drink. Umadini
Hayi.
ebo nje quick bhaqizi suqala kakhulu bhola kalo uyakhawada ngoku
Ndiyakhawuda lo
chill akafika nzomanje but ungathini ntona yami
yefana ungabethi bounces i3 bezogqibela.
try
Ndivumi bathi abafike ngomnqulu lo futhi sozenzeke lo.
but you know why the gatekeeper uzomshada lona
Ngizoba nelakho ngamthatha kwathi.
so why gatekeeper uzomshada
Ha?
why gatekeeper uzomshada
Ngalo okwangungowami but then ke iziza kopeka pha bro. Ababheke bro.
khona no serious I don't believe us manje ngizalixelwa
Ndo.
yo
Uthini?
uyone uthi noma ungayenza i-threesome yena ngasoze akuchate akanamsebenzi ngalonto hey
Uyazi njani basizanjani?
utsho
Uyazi njani basizanjani ingxaki?
Didn't check.
Lena ngomtshati.
Check. Ngabe ngicela na umuntu ozakuthatha uzoba nelakho.
Uzobanela kangani Chomi yazi?
so angizokushadana
For ndo.
okay omnyizoma ngapha omnyame ngapha anibonisani you have 10 minutes uzoba
10 minutes yindi 10 minutes 5 minutes like 3. Yo hayi ingqondo yami ilaweza too much kaloko. Ndiqibile uzoba.
Yona mana kudala lapha
Be serious ndiqibile uzoba.
awuzobe yasimanje
Shota wena baby.
Ulusaneza.
uyona ibozenza fani we Una vele uzobuhamba qhuphela lapha.
Ucela ntoni? Ya ngokuyenze khona into yami bazokwazi
Ikhona nje.
Apha amanzi ke ukufona unensi ku-clean brushes.
How do you guys feel about abantwana ku relationship?
It's a no.
hayibo ahlali yakho
Ngoba
hayibo sabuthina wena
so we're tough.
what kind of question is that
Nxaki, I'm getting somewhere here.
That off, iyandikhapha okay.
Because if we spend 24 hours all together, it is bound ba nimithisana. For a matter of fact,
Aye.
no, for a matter of fact, let me
yimo
doctor, I'm giving you free advice how to prevent pregnancy, Kabul, to prevent a stroke. Aye. How to prevent a pregnancy, English. Okay. How to avoid pregnancy, Kabul. I love, but at the same time, we have to have measures uba singamithisanini nayiqonda.
sure
Yes ke Kabul. To prevent pregnancy, use effective birth control method such as long acting reversible contraceptives.
ezinjani wona yonhlobana
Yazazi asema
I think mina ngingacwangcisa kodwa
Iyaphula.
yona ngicela nibe serious ngale topic.
Serious.
Kasi soba ngathi thina ngosixabise into soba makumithiswana kanti young loves njengoba ndimdala ama stitch you guys.
young loves
Yes. That's the first method, yabo?
yeah
Yabo? Nazi sidwelile lapha. Contraceptive implant. Yokuqala semahla. Yesibini, contraceptive injection.
Wayefuna kize nami lento yoba ibe ndimo bekwi-contraceptives. Nayo iyakwazi ukucingisa amadoda.
Uzomitha lo mntana. Yo, i-copper intrauterine device.
intoni
Copper intrauterine device.
kabili tata
Copper copper intrauterine device. Nina nizomithisana nxaki ekuse anifuna unimamela icinga ekusene lijoke.
umitha yebo
This is not a joke.
Yes,
athini
true.
baby
Umitha
umitha
yebo.
umgcina
Ngizala cha.
W sub. Usub kusinto, W kusinto.
afuna uqhunume baby
Funa chips.
Noma apho nina noyithi ndiyamthanda ma. Nina? Yona angihloniphi vele. Okay, jongani ke. Uzosondela ume ngenyawo ke sithanda sami, ne?
Hey, Jime.
Kaloku ndinazi kulantuka zami.
yes
Okay, sizami. Okay, uzomapha ke sisi, ne? Ungaphakama?
Akhona izinto phakame nje.
Ko, ngiyophakama. No, benza hey.
Oral.
Ywa.
Uyathanda ba?
This is nice, man. Yabona ke ngiyayichamela ke ngoku apho. Kuba nivele nincamisane phambi kwami ndimdala.
Uma
Kwami.
kaloku sinike space.
hayi ifimile date ilawezi i-wrong date anniversary
Irongo. Ayo 2024. 2023.
ayo ne-14
Ngani shi.
Irongo le date.
yethu
Asemahla kho serious ngale ntwana.
Into.
ingofebruary but not ngokungela date
Hayi wethu but ngoFebruary ndichanile nje o2 2024.
U2024 yena.
2024.
Last year.
yeah
K4A. Okay. No. Yoni, let's go.
Hayibo. Halimqoka.
But when it comes to creativity,
Oh, fuck.
Aninayo creativity.
Ngazihoyile nawe le.
As a couple.
Ayisho.
Ncwadi le wena.
Yes, yabo ke le.
Itheni?
Sike udlala manje be serious ngelove ne. Okay. Your partner ne liked Mamelani. Your partner liked their ex's post, Instagram post or picture or bikini picture, whatever it is. How do you guys feel about Lowe?
Bendithi number I do not mind, like unmind.
Never.
But as long as engazona shayeli we phelele pa.
Bana ngashayi uyona ka cherry.
Yeah, nakalo. I yabo icherry I don't mind naningxaki nentombazana yami and I'll never have ingxaki with intombazana. It's fine. Azingena zozinto apho yabo. But yabo I don't mind.
Okay, wena yona if you like a post ex yakhe.
Yena. Hayi.
Akazazi next zami so uzoyazela lapha.
John ba uzazi kodwa sithi ngumezi ex yakhe.
Hayi boy.
Hayi wethu landa. Like not like I wethu ba.
Eh.
Sendela be serious ngezi question.
Ngeke exes akazina aura more than na so. Yeah.
Sun is balance every day, every time.
Angikhulile kuba lisho ngikhulula abazakhe.
Hayi.
Kanambitheka check. Kamsitya.
Okay, how do you guys manage finances about the relationship here?
Amakhadi ahlala kuyo.
Yeah? Hayi boy thana ngiyadlala.
Serious Joe. Carlos went to Netbank.
There's a bubble tap. Ikhadi lakho naka yona.
Nangawa mayithu nale kakhaya.
Ewezela mbiphezulu kodwa akasezansi wonke.
You know why is that? Like what is the what is the reason bani?
Akana card yena and then phone yakhe yasokolisa unanzeko. So nathi ba makafake ku-Apple Pay wakhe pha kubo. Ne-app.
But imali ibenza kuyena abantu.
Huh?
Imali ngihamba kuyena abantu.
What? Shout out to Batini MK.
Buzzini and
Should have 7 subs ngosiye ku 7.
Wena kaleke imali khala ku.
Hayibo. Ngibuzo njalo. Imali yami yonke every last cent.
Ikhala ku.
Ngisho even i-10 cent. So, nazo 20 cent yami. Ihleli ku.
Mara nisebenzisa imali yakhe shem. Kodwa nami nemali yami.
Phangela.
Unamalini ngoku ekhadini lakho?
Andinayo ne-cent.
Yabose.
Uzelani?
Anayo ne-cent nyana.
Wena mahlala challenge
Iphangela
namalini
phi?
wena wala card.
Mina. Imali yobuye. Naye mhlawumbe ngafuna ukuyifakezela.
Nami ndina 110. Namalini.
116.
No, hayibo.
Be
Imali
honest.
kanezi zini.
Yeah.
Tun.
Ne rich ndombi.
Plus is ndombi.
Ngibone angizazi bana mali nje.
John,
Angizazi.
the above ndoni range yakho.
Above 500 kodwa.
Lwa.
Adi mina manhlala ku hot seat and then sim interview she as ufila njani relationship yethu yena.
Ufila njani?
Yeah, can interview.
When you first met uAsemahle, how was it? What did you think about uzanfanele ukazothini?
Ekse ukujola man ngokuya. Wayijola umshito. Udibana kwakhe no Asemahle. But I love mina to be honest.
Sipaqwini. Let direct.
Uyona ba ujola nabana ndimoya. Uzizwa ujola nabana ndimohoyi. Aloyi imntu ngiba ujola nabana. But andiyazi man. But the first night yena yaba na spend up njani. So even imeko yayo. So I was like man izophela le week.
Uzaqeda.
Yabo. And then yaqhubekeka. Yabo okay grand man. Bona.
Would you say Asemahle is good for me?
Yeah.
Ubunolongisile wangu Asemahle. Relationship yethu ayenzayo manje.
Why ask questions zingam? Akandazi nalo
I'm
mfowethu.
mad. That's what I was saying. Oh, Asemahle zanga hlala naye man like
DT.
this is probably
Based on our relationship.
Then I'm gonna hlala naye like 2 hours in needs.
Based on a relationship.
And the house relationship. Yeah.
What's your question for him?
Ndomoya yanga naso.
Hayibo.
Nazo.
But ndiyayincane relationship yenu mana bayona utyebile ngoku.
Ngimthatha kahle.
It's more happier.
Please find this resolution.
Change your phone time.
Huh?
Udilithile.
Did nini?
Hayi.
Bani bambeni ni phone.
Okay, mashinjeni.
Ngicimile for now.
Okay, so qala ngezi lights. Show like
Ubone like abayenze
the
le
last picture saved in your phone.
Icimile phone yami.
Yon. The last picture saved in your phone.
I won't participate in this.
Afraid of him.
Kaloku ndizocofa ngo.
The last picture saved. Cha.
Ngeke le challenge. Yakale game.
Why?
Hey.
Hey Khayo.
Indoni ifihlayo.
Akona ngiphila icimile phone yami.
Watcha. Inhliziyo ndiyayiva.
Uyibona? Ndoke.
Vula ifone.
No.
Why not?
Masaxoxa saluchaba.
Akuchonga yena nje kuchonga.
Eh?
Akuchonga yena kuchonga.
Suke nomoya omdaka ke. Ongendawo, moya ngendawo lungile.
Watch.
Tumile fona ngayazi lena. Thene? Kude. Zindala zombili.
Except inona go bezifuna.
Ufuna. Akona ro cimi ibona yami.
Alisungela ku chat.
Yacha nocha. Angawi guys. Angawi.
Yon
Kushushu mani nqaki.
Yon last picture saved.
Icimile phone yami. There's no last picture saved.
Ayicoma ngale phone.
Icimile le phone.
Last picture saved. Asingeni go chat.
Hayi ngiqala ukuchuka man. Next topic.
Akushongo wona. Yo. Azima how do you feel ngale way?
Ngeke.
Was emahluredi yena.
Already doing.
Uqhubeka
delete ngoku. Uqhubeka delete wena. Useyazi. Kwasedliwe udelete. Useyazi. Hayi, uprepared. No. Cimile phone.
Okay, Yona, I understand awful, but what are your reasons? Like
Exactly.
privacy yakho bona. I get you Nona, I'm explain.
I'm not reason I'm phone.
How?
Ebo.
And how does that make you feel as a
I
man?
feel nothing.
Akafuni?
Alright, wenzela yena kaloku.
Ebo.
Le life ihlayo ke ba uyafihla. Uyayazi ayingixakanga. Ngala chomi. Awufihli into ne? So awuyikhathalelanga lento endiyithethayo because awufihli into. Awufihli into kaloku. So mayingakutyi lento endiyithethayo.
Yes.
Hey, it's for zenyoka so.
If awufihli into why utyeka?
Exactly.
So kwaze manje uthi ba uyafihla naye uyafihla.
Watcha kalo.
Shout out to Sira Cindy.
One sub to viewers.
Amazwe nango okhuza cha mina ngoku.
Except iserious le love kodwa none love.
Siyathandana chomi, siyathandana nyana.
Last picture saved, man.
Sab.
Date.
Yeah, nansi day today. 7. Hayibo. Ungabonise bani balance yami nansi.
Okay. Last picture saved. Okay. Yeah, kwaze manje. It's a kahle le game, I love it.
Elaka do.
Ile.
Phelile game, next game.
Okay, le. Hi le.
Next game.
Last message sent.
Message
You
no.
don't.
G, what's your
Aye.
last sent?
Aye.
Yeah?
Privacy.
Be right kaloku.
Okay. Good. Siyekile ne? Le. Masijonge i-request history kaBoy.
Andinakwa Uber ke mna ke. Khasijonge yakhe.
Fanda.
Uhleba ntoni?
Masijonge yakhe ya last week.
I-request history kaBoy.
Yeah, last week.
Ni
Yonke.
last week.
Yeah, last
Kanti
week.
khona last week nje.
Last of last week.
Ngoku bese fine.
Eh.
Hey, ayike ngokusana. Shi.
Uzekakhe lana nofaka. Nguye yedwa noBolt na Bolt. UnoBolt, uno-Uber, uno-InDriver. Ithini nalento? Leyo yifihlelo yomuntu.
Hayi nje musovule mina abantu
Ese
babanisi.
unando unobhodo
UnoBolt, no-Uber, no-InDriver yonke into.
history ke.
Fondoni.
Asifuni message, sifuna nje history yakho request wayapi mhlambe yothenga ukutya wayapi cha.
Uzobanjwa ndimi ifoni yami. Uzobanjwa ngaba.
Abanjwa ndini. I-relationship enjani?
Wena kuchama nango. Akalazi ibhayi nje sozoyenze laphi.
Andanga ngifuna yazi ebhayi man. Ngifuna ukutshela i-request.
Kaloku uyabona if ngizakunika eqale manje until ngoku awuzo.
Udinwa kwami.
Hayi yeka.
Okay, eqala Monday ke. Le relationship ngadayiqinanga manje.
Qinile le relationship. Qinile baby. Qinile ne baby. Hayibo, uphendule.
This kind of love. Ndibona semali ngeke vilanga.
Yena mina.